If the text and icons in Blender feel too small, or you just want a cleaner, more readable interface, this quick tutorial will show you how to change the toolbar font size in Blender in just a few clicks. This is especially helpful if you're working on a high-resolution monitor, using a small laptop screen, or you simply want Blender's interface to be easier on the eyes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast Blender tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Blender and look at the top left corner of the window. Click Edit, then choose Preferences. This opens Blender's Settings panel, where you can customize the entire interface. Once the Preferences window appears, click the Interface tab at the very top of the sidebar. Inside the Interface settings, look for the Display section. Here you'll find the Resolution Scale slider. This is the main setting that controls the size of Blender's text, menus, buttons, and icons. If you want everything to appear larger, click and drag the slider to the right. As you move it higher, the whole interface scales up, making the toolbar and text easier to read. If you prefer a more exact value, you can click inside the number field and type a specific scale, like 1.2 or 1.5 for precise control. A small adjustment can make a big difference, so try a few values until it feels right for your workspace. Next, scroll a little further down in the same Interface tab until you reach the Text Rendering section. If the font starts to look blurry after scaling, turn on Anti-Aliasing by checking that box. This helps smooth out the text and makes it look much cleaner and sharper on screen. If you want even more control over the look of Blender's interface, you can also change the font itself. Find the Interface Font option, then click the folder icon next to it to browse for a custom font file. This lets you use a different font style if you want a more comfortable or personalized interface. Once you've made your changes, Blender usually applies them right away, so you can see the difference instantly. If it looks good, you're all set. And if not, you can always go back and fine-tune the scale until it fits your screen perfectly. That's how to change the toolbar font size in Blender and make the interface much easier to use. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more Blender tips, and comment below if you want more beginner-friendly Blender guides.